Okay, this is the laptop. We come to change this Lenovo Thinkpad, the keyboard. Okay, this one to replace the keyboard, you have to lose everything because the keyboard needs to screw from inside. Okay, you have to make sure you take out the battery first. Okay, remove the battery. Okay, so many screw, make sure you take out all the screw. You just lose all the screw. Okay, and you lose the screw, just leave it there. It's not coming out, you just leave on the casing. Don't force to remove all the screw, just loose, make sure the screw is loose. Okay, after you remove all the screw, just try to open it. Use the pencil to open it like this, clip, or use your hand, just ace it up. Okay, okay, you take it out. This is the keyboard here inside. This way you need to take out all the how do you call it, the screw, and remove the motherboard. After you remove the motherboard, then you take out the keyboard. Okay, so make sure you have to take out all the screw from the motherboard. Be careful, so many screws on this board. Make sure you take out all the screws you see that having arrow on it like this. You have to take them out. Okay, try to disconnect the battery first because this laptop has two batteries, one inside, one outside. We try to remove the battery. The battery screw is white. Okay, take out the battery. Okay, disconnect the cable, the battery cable from here. Okay, to one side. You just take out all the screw you see have arrow on it. That one is from the board. So many screws. Okay, after you take out the screws all, now it's time to remove all these connectors. So many connectors, you have to know where you remove all the connector. Okay, just remove the charging system connector first to one side, and remove the display connector, LCD connector to the one side. Okay, remove the Wi-Fi cable. Okay, just put it like this for the meantime. Disconnect this SIM cable also. Make sure any cable you disconnect, make sure you know where you disconnect it. Okay, remove the speaker cable. Okay, remove the CMOS battery. All the cable, you have to disconnect everything. Okay, then anytime you want to open, you just make sure you shake it a bit so you can know if there's any screw in another place to open. Don't force to open it. Okay, disconnect this LCD. This other cable here, just slide it out for the hard disk cable. Okay, then you open this other connector. So many connectors on this laptop. This is a keyboard connector here. Disconnect it also. Remove the keyboard cable. Okay, and disconnect this other connector here. So many connectors. Make sure anywhere you remove the connector, you know where you remove it, so that you can know how to fix them back. Okay, then disconnect this other connector here also. Just hold the plastic and ace it up if you want, or you just try to open from down like this. Okay, after you remove all the connector, okay, you try to ace the board, there's a glue under this side, so make sure you just try to force to ace this side a bit because there's a glue under it. Okay, you open it like this. Okay, try to remove the board, be careful. Okay, take out the board. You just put it one side, this side. Okay, okay, now you need to remove this rubber. Remove the screw. Make sure you take out all the screw from this rubber. So many screw. Its own screw is black. It's the same with the motherboard screw. Just put them all one side, no problem. The only white screw here is from the battery. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, and from there you move the network cable. Just open it like this, so remove it from inside. Okay, after you remove the screws, just try to ace the rubber up like this. You have glue also someplace, just try to open it. There's a glue on it. Okay, you remove it, put it one side. Okay, there's another screw here you just need to take out and remove the inches for the LCD. Make sure you remove the screw. The inches screw is white. Same with the battery screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, you try to open the laptop so the inches will come up. Okay, just open it like this. Okay, so you take out all the screw here to remove this metal because you have to remove the keyboard. This one screw is different, it says big. Just make sure you take out all this. Remove the charging system. Remove all this screw here. So many screws to remove this keyboard, so you have to make sure you remove all the screws and know where you remove them. Okay, make sure you take out all the screws close to this metal, because this metal you need to remove it so you can have access to take out the keyboard. After you remove all the screw, okay, make sure you remove all the screw. You remove all this slate tape here. There's a screw under it here to also remove all the screw there. Okay, from there you just try to remove this panel with one side, just put it in the corner there. Try to remove the keyboard and remove this other panel also. Just push it like this. Put one side, close the other side, at least you know where you remove them. Just put them like this. Okay, try to remove the keyboard. Okay, take out the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Okay, now it's time to fix the new keyboard. Okay, this other connector, don't need to fix this one anymore. This one is for this mouse here. You can use the original mouse. Okay, you just connect this one only. Okay, just put the keyboard inside, just put it straight and follow the screw hole. Make sure it's very straight. Make sure you take out all the cable under there. Everything's supposed to be up. like this. Okay, you replace this screw here first, the one you take out from this side. The screw is all the same with the motherboard scripts. You just replace this one first. Make sure you put all the screw from there. It's the short one. So you place, that's why you place this one also. Make sure you put all these inches first. Make sure you know where you take all out. Okay, you place this own screw also, the big screw. Okay, then you fix the charging system also. You place a screw here. Okay. Then you fix the charging system also. Make sure you place everything where you take it. Don't forget, don't mistake. And place a screw here. Okay. Then you close the inches. Okay. You put the white screw, you take out from there. This one screw is white color. Okay. Then you put this one also. Close it. And you place the screw there. You take out from there. Okay. After you place this screw, you fix back this rubber from here. Make sure you fix it very nice how you take it. And he replace his own screw also. This connector no need to fix it back. He fix only the keyboard connector. Make sure you place all his own screw. So many screws. Make sure you know all where you take out the screws so you don't do any mistakes. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay, after you fix this rubber, before you fix the motherboard, make sure you pass this the connector first, this Wi-Fi cable. Make sure you pass it back under here, because this one is going to be under the motherboard. Make sure you fix it very nice how you take it. Okay, fix it very nice. Okay, all this side. Okay, after I fix the cable, network cable very nice like this, then now you fix the motherboard. Make sure the motherboard is just rest very nice, exactly how you take it. Make sure you remove all the cables, don't leave any cable down, so you close the cable and you forget to fix it. All the connectors, make sure you take them outside. This motherboard is supposed to pass here under the metal, just slide it in like this. Okay, and make sure you put all the screw back you take from the motherboard. So many screws, make sure you place all the screws. After you fix the motherboard, okay, now you fix all the connector back you take out. Okay, fix the CMOS battery first. Okay, then you fix this SIM connector here. Okay, then you fix the speaker cable here. Make sure you fix it very nice, don't mistake anything. Okay, then you fix the keyboard cable. Make sure you slide it inside here. This one is supposed to open, then you put the keyboard cable inside the connector. Make sure you go inside well before you close it. Okay, when you go in very straight, see that the line is very straight with the connector like this before you close it. Okay, then you connect this, the mouse cable. Okay, then you fix the LCD cable. Make sure you fix exactly how you take it. Connect it here. So this one have clip, you have to clip it here. Make sure you connect very well like this. Make sure it's fixed properly. Okay, fix the charging system cable. Make sure you just fix them exactly how you take them, everything. Connect it inside there. Okay, okay, you fix the network cable exactly how you take it. Careful when you fix this network cable because it's too small. Make sure you get the right position before you press the antenna inside. Don't force to press it inside if you don't have the right position. Okay, make sure you fix it very nice like this. Okay, after you fix all the connector, make sure you fix every connector very nice, the ADX connector, all the connector, make sure everything is fixed very nice. Okay, before you fix the battery. Okay, now you connect the battery. Make sure you connect the battery terminal. Okay, you just put it inside here exactly how you take it. Make sure the cable is down like this. Okay, then you replace the screw back you take out from the battery. Okay, make sure all the connector, the cable fixed very nice. exactly how you take it, so the back cover can fix perfectly. Okay, after you finish everything, then now you just put the back cover. Make sure you slide in this side first. Okay, then you put all the screw, replace all the screw back, just screw all it. Okay, after you finish, you check everything. The keyboard is okay, everything is very nice. Okay, you on the laptop is on. Then you just try to check the BIOS and see the keyboard if it's working. You press the button and see, okay, the keyboard is working. You see everything is moving very nice. That means the keyboard is okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.